What if the next major cybersecurity risk isn't a hacker breaking into your network, but an AI agent already inside it making the wrong decision? Artificial intelligence is moving onto employee laptops, developer environments, cloud systems, and internal business tools at an incredible pace. But hidden inside that adoption is a new category of risk, one your traditional cybersecurity stack may not be designed to understand. That's where Glow enters the picture. The cybersecurity startup recently emerged from stealth with a $1.2 billion valuation and a reported $180 million Series A round. Its mission is focused on a growing problem. How do you secure AI agents and AI-powered developer tools when they can access systems, make decisions, and execute tasks with limited human involvement? Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Because Glow is making a very specific argument. Securing AI requires more than adding another feature to an old endpoint security product. For years, endpoint security focused on devices, applications, and human users. The basic model was relatively straightforward. An employee clicks a suspicious link. A malicious file appears on a laptop. An unauthorized application tries to install itself. Security software identifies the behavior, creates an alert, and gives the security team a chance to respond. But AI agents don't behave like ordinary applications or ordinary employees. An AI agent may read documents, call APIs, write code, access internal systems, and make decisions across several steps without waiting for a human to approve every action. A developer tool powered by AI could generate software, download packages, modify files, or interact with a production environment. A customer service agent could read internal knowledge bases, retrieve customer information, and create tickets automatically. An AI assistant inside a financial company could potentially interact with sensitive documents, reporting systems, or business workflows. That creates a problem of speed and scale. If a human makes one mistake, the damage may be limited to one action. If an AI agent is given excessive permissions or follows a manipulated instruction, it could repeat that mistake across hundreds of files, thousands of records, or an entire workflow in seconds. And the issue isn't always malicious intent. An agent might misunderstand a request, follow an unsafe instruction hidden inside a document, or use a tool outside the boundaries security teams expected. The system may technically be working as designed. The problem is that the design itself may be unsafe. Traditional endpoint tools still matter. Firewalls, antivirus systems, identity controls, and endpoint detection platforms remain important layers of enterprise security. But many of those systems were designed around known applications, known users, and known patterns of behavior. AI introduces more ambiguity. Who is the user when an autonomous agent acts on behalf of an employee? What counts as normal behavior when the agent is supposed to adapt? How do you distinguish a legitimate developer workflow from a compromised tool that is making unauthorized changes? That distinction becomes even harder when companies have shadow AI systems operating outside official approval. A developer might install an AI coding assistant to solve a specific problem. A marketing team might create an internal chatbot. A customer service department might connect an AI agent to a knowledge base and a ticketing system. Each tool may be useful, but if security teams don't know the tool exists, they can't evaluate its permissions, track its activity, or determine what data it can reach. This is the visibility gap Glow is targeting. Glow describes its platform as purpose-built AI security at the endpoint. In practical terms, that means monitoring the software, AI agents, and developer tools operating across enterprise devices and environments. The company says its specialized AI systems continuously map those environments, assess risk in real time, and help enforce security policies. The important word here is context. A traditional alert might say that an application accessed a database. Glow's approach is intended to ask deeper questions. Which AI agent made the request? Who authorized it? What task was the agent supposed to complete? Has this agent accessed that type of data before? Did the request happen during a normal workflow, or did the agent suddenly branch into a completely different system? That context can be represented as a graph of relationships between users, devices, applications, AI agents, permissions, data sources, and tasks. Why does that matter? Because many serious attacks are not obvious at the beginning. They involve gradual movement from one system to another. An AI agent may begin with access to a developer tool, then reach a package repository, then interact with a production environment. The individual actions may look harmless. The connection between them may reveal the real risk. Let's look at a realistic example. Imagine your company deploys an AI customer service bot. Its job is to answer routine questions, check order statuses, and create support tickets. It should have access to customer profiles and shipping information, but it should not be able to access payroll files, internal legal documents, or financial reporting systems. Now imagine the bot suddenly begins requesting sensitive records it has never touched before. Maybe the request came from a prompt injection hidden inside a customer message. Maybe an API permission was configured incorrectly. Maybe the agent misunderstood a new instruction from a connected application. The important point is that the behavior has changed. A security platform built around context could flag the unusual access pattern, show which tool was called, identify the data involved, and compare the behavior with the agent's expected role. Depending on the organization's policies, the response could involve a warning, access restriction, credential revocation, or isolation of the affected process. The value is not simply generating another alert. The value is helping security teams understand what happened and respond before a small deviation becomes a large incident. Glow has also said its platform has prevented malicious NPM packages from being installed, identified AI agents attempting to pull in risky software components, and detected employee devices where endpoint detection tools were missing or operating with reduced functionality. That points to a broader strategy. Prevent risky software and AI behavior from entering the environment in the first place, instead of only detecting threats after they emerge. Glow's funding is a strong signal that investors believe AI is changing the security market. The startup was founded by former executives from companies including Meta, Snowflake, and Clarity. Its reported investors include Sequoia Capital, Cyberstarts, Green Oaks, Redpoint Ventures, and Index Ventures. But funding alone doesn't prove that the product will succeed. Glow is entering a crowded market that already includes major cybersecurity companies such as CrowdStrike, Microsoft, SentinelOne, and Palo Alto Networks. The real question is whether AI-native endpoint security becomes a distinct category, or whether established platforms simply absorb these capabilities into their existing products. Glow's argument is that AI changes the endpoint enough to require a new security model. The bigger lesson is not that companies should stop using AI, it's that AI adoption without visibility creates a dangerous blind spot. You need to know which agents exist, what tools they can access, what data they can reach, and whether their behavior matches the task they were designed to perform. That means security teams may need to treat AI agents less like passive software and more like digital employees with permissions, responsibilities, and accountability. The winners won't be the loudest. They'll be the ones who quietly do these things. AI is not magic. It's engineering, product discipline, and relentless execution. And in security, that also means continuous monitoring, careful access controls, and human oversight. Glow is betting that the next generation of endpoint security must understand not only what software is running, but why it is acting, what it is trying to accomplish, and where its decisions could lead. Automate workflows, not headlines. The hype cycle rewards noise. The market rewards outcomes. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to check out the related video linked up in the corner for even more insights on securing your AI-driven business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your hottest take in the comments. Would you trust an AI bot with your crown jewels? Let's talk about it. We understand the complexity of the AI transition, but the ROI on security is absolute.